What up, guys? I just want to make a super quick video on this like little DIY drip setup I did here in the garden bed. Just all from the dollar store here in Canada. Costed me like 17 bucks. I bought 2 of these drip lines from the dollar store. I think they're $4 each. They're 15 feet. I just put them together and made a nice little run here. I bought the two-way from the dollar store as well. And again, you can change the pressure, how much you want the dripping. And then the other one, I just did a fill, just because the nozzles, for your spray nozzles, they always lower the pressure. When you have a direct line, you get way faster filling for the watering cans. But all I have to do is I just have a quick connector on the hose here. Quick connector on there. And then I just swing the hose around the door. We come up here, oh, sorry, hard to do this one hand. Connect it together like that. And then it fills up all the soaker line and it waters everything. And this way I don't have to worry about watering these beds, using the mulch to hold the moisture in because it gets so hot in here. I will be doing another one on this side for the beans and the peppers. The goal this year is to try and lower the overall heat of the greenhouse, so I did add an exhaust to see if we can get some good produce in here, right? But anyways, just wanted to make this quick video. If anyone else is trying to look for or to make something, it's very simple. A couple of rocks just to hold down the soakers, or the drips, sorry. The little two-way, and then the quick connect, just to make it simple for me. But guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys are having fun in your spring. The gardening season's just around the corner. It's gonna be awesome. But thank you guys for watching. Peace, love, and cheers.